V. Why do we yawn? It's a mystery that scientists have been trying to solve for decades. We all know that yawning can help regulate brain temperature. When we take in a deep breath of air, it cools the brain and helps us stay alert. That's why we often yawn when we're tired, bored, or need to stay awake. But here's the fun part. Yawning is contagious. V. When you see someone else yawn, your brain's mirror neurons fire up. These are the same neurons that are responsible for empathy and social bonding. In other words, contagious yawning might be a way for our brains to connect with others. Yawning isn't just human behavior. Even dogs do it when their owners do. So next time you catch yourself yawning just because someone else did, blame your brain's way of keeping cool and connected.